How to change LinkedIn profile URL. So open the LinkedIn app, then select the profile icon and select the setting options, then scroll down and you will see like account and performance. So select here and click on here like name, location and industry, and click here the like edit options and scroll down and you see the options like edit contact information. Select here and scroll down and like show you like profile URL. So click on it and you show the options like edit profile URL. Like click here and you will see like edit this, like change and save now, and your profile URL is successfully added. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe.